is a disciple who has found shelter under him. At this point, Arjuna's surrender is complete. Until now, he had thought himself an equal of Krishna in merit, and in fact, even superior to him in certain skills. But now, he really puts himself at the mercy of his charioteer. An accomplished teacher dwells in his disciple's heart and is always by his side until the goal is reached. If he is not there by his side, the pupil may falter in his quest. Like the guardians of a maiden who protect her till her marriage, an accomplished teacher acts as a charioteer who skillfully maneuvers his disciple's soul safely across the perilous valleys of nature. Arjuna now makes one more submission.
Nahi prapashyami mamapan